Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Alexey, and today what we're gonna be doing is taking a look at Dave Otero's trick, which is called making your Krimh drums kicks sound natural. Dave Otero is a metal sound engineer who has been working with such great metal bands as Cephalic Carnage, Archspire, Cattle Decapitation, and many more. You can check out Dave Otero's videos and courses on Nail the Mix, the best online community on recording, mixing and mastering metal music. So in our today's video we're going to be making Krimh drum kicks sound natural, and in this case we're going to be using Krimh drums library for Contact from Bogorin Digital, and we're going to be using only kicks in our Krimh drums library. So first of all we have to go to mixer menu, and here we have to set our kicks to our master channel, and our overheads and rooms we can set to some different channel. Like in this case I sent overheads and rooms to channel 2. So in this case we have only 2 channels for our kicks and for our rooms. Now let's have a listen to our kicks only. And to make our kicks sound more natural, we're gonna be adding rooms to our kicks, and we're gonna be setting up rooms a little bit louder than our kicks to make our kicks sound more natural. Also, don't forget to check out auto double kick feature in Krimh drums, and it needs to be on, so you can have different kick sounds. And one more time, let's have a listen to our kicks with and without our Krimh drum rooms. So this is a quick tip from Dave Otero, but very effective tip to make your Krimh drums kicks sound natural in any metal or in any rock mix. Thank you so much for watching, I hope you liked the video, and again, if you want to learn from Dave Otero on mixing metal, you can check out his videos and courses on Nail the Mix. The link will be in the info box of this video, and see you next time.